Hello everyone. Today I would like to introduce my CS50 project from CS50 web programming course. This is my very first project in HTML and CSS module. This project is called Search. My CS50 project contains 3 pages. One for the default Google search, and the other is image search, and the last is advanced search. So let's talk about my very first page. The very first page is Google search, and we can find anything from the input feed by clicking the Google search button, and it will then directly link to the very first search result of Google. For the design, I try my best to redesign everything from the Google original page, and the input feed has the rounded corner. At the button I also enter the input feed, and they are aligned in center. So let's talk about my second page. My second page is Google search for image, and in this page you can also type anything you want to search and query that result. When I type for example hello and press the button of Google search, and the Google will directly send me to the image page of the Google search. When I go to the main page of the Google search, it will instead link me to the image search of my query. The very last page is advanced search. In this page, I also try to redesign everything the same as the original Google advanced search page. My advanced search page contain especially 4 container. Each are for specific search, and they are also designed vertically, each stack on each other. For the function of the Google advanced search page, my advanced search page also do the same as the Google original advanced search page. And for the first section, I can type any words I want to search. I will type Ed Sheeran. And for the second section, I need to write the specific exact word that I want to search in advanced Google search. So I want to search a perfect song from Ed Sheeran. For the third section, I can write any word by spacing or between words. Google will search according to each word from this sentence respectively. And then I want to search perfect or eraser. The last section is the words that I don't want to be. Then I can search this query by clicking advanced search. Then Google will direct me to the search result of my advanced search. Yeah, for aesthetic, my advanced search contain 4 sections. Each are vertically aligned on top of each other, and it also contains an advanced search button just like Google original button. I try my best to redesign this button also. It also contains a hover effect and the active effect, which you can see when you zoom your web page. For I'm feeling lucky button, this button works also the same as the original one. If I want to find something related to hello world, and I then click my feeling lucky button, then it will send me directly to the very first query result of the hello world. Each and every page are the same as the original Google page, and my web pages are also mobile responsive, which means you can also view these on mobile devices and any other device which has smaller screen than the laptop and desktop. For advanced search page, I have 3 columns for each section. When I shrink my browser window and reach the breakpoint of 650 pixels, then the flow of the web page changes. Each section are not horizontally aligned, they are aligned vertically, and they also stack on each other. This is my CS50, the very first web project, which is Search. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.